Good morning. Oh, okay. So this is every morning. This little punk comes and messes with everyone and then runs away like a little freaking. I don't even know. Look at those eyes, Marley. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing, dude? This itches. All right, wake up. You heard the dog. You heard the dog. The dogs. I just wanted to show you guys what we have to deal with every morning. That's what she does every morning. Just tramples us. If she hears anybody on the phone or anyone just moving, that's what she does. Right, Mama? Why are you itching so much? All right, you win.